Alright guys, this is the face reveal. Pangit. So guys, gusto nyo ba yung free profile picture? Ay, gusto ko magawa ng art challenge. Like, Crystal Family, alam nyo guys. Alam nyo, gawin mo ako ng profile pictures. Guys, papost ko yung mga ano yun? Anything, like any profile picture you want. You can use celebrities, items, objects, living things, animals, plants, anything. Okay, first place, you will get a free profile picture, a free fan art. No, wait, no, not fan art. Notice in TikTok. And I'll pin your comments. Second place, free edit and free notice. And third place, just edit. Just an edit lang po. Sa mga ibang places, at least you tried your best. Fourth place, I'll just pin your comments. Fifth place, wala. Sorry na po. Ba't hindi kayo na kuha ng prize? Okay lang yan po. So this is complete with 10 participants or more, I don't know. So just comment on this video if you want to join. Don't worry, I'm the judge. One of the judges are my friends, which is Crystal Family and Milky Way. Wait, I forgot. Wait, let me look. That girl, I don't know what's her name, but she's one of my friends. Her initials are I. I forgot her username, so yan lang ba, guys. Bye-bye. Yes po, crush ko si Miguel Leoc, no?